Dear students, today our topic is electric charges. We know that every atom comprises of subatomic particles such as electrons, protons and neutrons. All these particles share a common property that can carry electric charges. Electrons have a negative charge on them while as protons have a positive charge. We know that atoms carry a balanced charge, however these charges may sometimes become out of order. An object will be called electrically neutral if it is carrying a balanced property of positive and negative charges. An object is called a charged object if there is an imbalance of electrons and protons in it. When we rub two objects with each other, they get charged due to transfer of electrons between them. For example, if we rub a rubber balloon with an animal fur, the balloon is made up of rubber, attracts the electrons from the animal fur. This results in rubber having an excess of electrons while fur having shortage of electrons. In the same way, if we rub a plastic comb with dry hair, the comb acquires some charge. The charged objects may have a shortage or excess of electrons. Objects having an excess of electrons are called negatively charged, while as an object having shortage of electrons are called as positively charged objects. For instance, when a glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth, it becomes positively charged, while the silk cloth becomes negatively charged. These charged objects are now capable of attracting other charged and uncharged objects. Objects having the same kind of charges repel each other, while as objects which have different kind of charges attract each other. The force of attraction or repulsion experienced by these charged objects is called as the electrostatic force. So the electrostatic force, it is the attraction or repulsion experienced by the charged objects. These charges it can be transferred from one object to another with the help of conduction and induction. Conduction, it is when a charged object comes in contact with a conductor, it results in the transfer of charge through the conductor. In induction, when a charged object is brought near a neutral object, it results in shifting in the position of the electrons in the other object. The process of induction does not involve any physical contact between the charged and the uncharged object, while the process of conduction requires a physical contact between them. The net charge on a neutral object is always zero. However, when an object receives some electrons from another object, the net negative charge on the first object is equal to the net positive charge of the second object. In this way, the charges are conserved during transfer of charges. So, this was about the electric charges.